Hello everyone, Scorpion here with a special unboxing for you. It says here it's from Florida. Ooh, I wonder if it's my new music CD that I ordered. What the heck is this? This isn't the music CD I ordered. You know what this is? This is Shinnok's Amulet, the most powerful relic in all the realms. If the Elder Gods find out that I have this, they're gonna be really mad. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. I gotta go deliver this to them. Hey everyone, Lone Wolf here. The unboxing video you have just watched was just a dramatization. I intentionally ordered a replica of Shinnok's Amulet. Speaking of which, have you ever wanted Boraicho's Warrior Medallion or Shinnok's Amulet? How about Sub-Zero's Dragon Medallion? If so, come on by to the Smoky Dragon's Lair on Etsy, where you can get high-quality replica medallions and amulets at great prices without having to steal them from Boraicho, the Lin Kuei, or the Elder Gods, or pay an arm or a leg. Remember, that Smoky Dragon's Lair on Etsy can only be found on www.etsy.com/shop/Smoky Dragon Lair. I will include a link to the site down below in the description. Always remember, my friends, with Lone Wolf Productions, it's not just a video, it's an experience. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you're watching this.